Abahlali belokishi yaseMeqheleng eFicksburg babevutha ngomsindo ngenxa yokuba bengazifumani iinkonzo zingundoqo kwingingqi yabo. Tatane naye wayeyinxalenye yoLuqhanqalazo. Ngelo xesha uTatane wayenceda abafundi bematriki ngezifundo ze-maths nezenzululwazi phantsi kombutho wakhe i-iCan Academy.
I remember the camera person that we were working with, Mr. Filani Chomani, had overheard one of the police saying that, you know, they're going to approach a particular person. In this instance, it's Tatane. He was one of the few people that were left there. He had taken his T-shirt. I remember him actually from the crowd. He was the only person who did not have a T-shirt on.
Iziganeko sokubulawa kukaTatane sabono lehlabathi ngokubanzi.
The paramedics arrived, and because we were like few centimeters away from the paramedics, one of them looked at Tatane, touched him and so on, and he told the other one that he's dead. Now, they were with police and they started debating that, because there are so many people, if they can hear now that this person is dead, hell is going to break loose. Now, it's then that I started calling the office that a protester has died. But, sometimes you have to wait for the confirmations and so on. Now, the debate between people who were there was that if they put a foil on him, people will start realizing, protesters will start realizing that he's dead.
Iziganeko sabangela unxunguphalo.
He was, singing and chanting, and here's this person again being approached by police. They surrounded him, and it was so, it's like when I think about it, it's like when you, like in a twinkle of an eye, as they were, hitting him with batons and they were shooting at him, it was unbelievable. There were only a few of us there, and I couldn't believe, what I was seeing with my eyes. And he just collapsed. It was traumatic. It was shocking.
For me, personally, what touched me was when we went to go and meet with the family. Now, when we went there, there was this young boy. I think he could have been aged 3, 4, but not 5. Very, very young, and I think he was playing tennis or soccer alone and we were told that this is Tatane's Andres Tatane's boys, young boy. It was difficult. It was difficult because I personally, you see, there's a point where you sometimes leave your journalism and you become a human being. And I was saying, how do you tell this young boy that Daddy who left probably kissed you in the morning and promised you chocolate is no more?
Izintatheli zembini zithi iziganeko ngalomini zizakuhlala zihleli entliziyweni zazo kodwa kubuhlungu kubo njengokuluqhanqalazo lwaphela ngenyembezi.